Sean "Diddy" Combs, the prominent music mogul, has been under arrest since September 2024, and now he is preparing for his trial, which is scheduled for May. One of the most high-profile figures involved in the case is his ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura. In a new development, Ventura, who had been previously identified as Victim 1 in court documents, revealed that she will testify under her own name during the upcoming trial, instead of remaining anonymous. This is a significant move, considering the high-profile nature of the case, which has already attracted considerable media attention. On April 4, prosecutors filed a motion stating that Ventura would be publicly testifying under her real name, signaling her willingness to be open and transparent about her involvement in the case. This is in contrast to other victims involved, as Victim 2, Victim 3, and Victim 4 have requested that their identities be protected from public view. They have asked the court to allow them to testify using pseudonyms to safeguard their privacy and to shield them from unwanted media attention. The motion filed by prosecutors also outlined the challenges the victims face, acknowledging that this case has already received an extraordinary amount of media coverage, and as the trial progresses, this attention will likely intensify. The legal team emphasized the necessity of protecting the identities of the victims to avoid potential harassment and embarrassment, as well as to prevent other adverse consequences that could arise if their names were publicly disclosed during the trial. The filing noted that keeping these details confidential would help maintain the integrity of the trial and ensure a fair process for everyone involved. Sean Combs, the founder of Bad Boy Records, is facing serious criminal charges, including allegations of sexual abuse, trafficking, racketeering, and involvement in prostitution. These charges were brought forward following his arrest last year, and since then several other victims have come forward, either publicly or anonymously, to speak about their experiences. The case has drawn significant attention due to the celebrity status of Combs and the serious nature of the charges against him. As the trial approaches, many are waiting to see how the case will unfold, especially with such a high level of media scrutiny and the involvement of numerous individuals speaking out against him. As the trial date draws nearer, it is expected that more details will emerge, shedding light on the full scope of the allegations against Combs and the impact it has had on the victims involved. The proceedings are anticipated to be a highly publicized affair, and the decision to allow some victims to remain anonymous while others testify publicly is likely to remain a topic of debate. Nonetheless, it is clear that the legal battle ahead will be one of significant importance, not just for the victims seeking justice, but also for the reputation of one of the most influential figures in the music industry.